Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So you can see here, I have a package. Again, this is another package from Zadehkicks. So let's crack this open right here. So if you've been watching my channel, you notice, that I do buy, from Zadehkicks, quite often, I guess. So I've gotten a couple pairs from him. As you can see here, it is the silver box, with the Nike swoosh up top. As you can see right there, you got the holes, Nike branding. As you can see, this is the Nike Dunk Low, the off-white. Size 10, and colorway is University Red. University Red, pretty much. So as you can see right there, and suggested retail is $170. So here they are. Let's see, you got the off-white paper right there, and here are the shoes right there. These are off-white dunks. Most people will say the third UNLV colorway right there. So you got the red bottom. Leather is actually pretty decent on this one. They're actually pretty soft. And then you got more of like an infrared colorway as far as this extra set of laces. Then you got the off-white stamping right there. You got the tags, you made in China. And then you got tag right here, and this time it's in white. Again, off-white, care of Nike. Right there, the zip tie. On the shoelaces, again, in the shoelaces, it is in quotation marks right there. Got the Nike branding. You got the little orange tab in the back. More Nike branding up top. You got the exposed tongue, the edging, and then as far as the insole, you do have, oops, kind of tough in there, but again, you do have the off-white insole right there. Here is the other pair, right here. Again, as you can see, that's the stamp. You got the Nike. The other tag, again, it's in both shoes. You got the shoelaces branding. And then you also have shoelaces on this one as well. So as you can see over here, you have it on the regular red laces and also on the infrared ones. And the tips are right there, as you can see. So pretty dope shoe. Again, I got this from Zadehkicks. Again, 100% legit. In my opinion, never had an issue with any of the pairs that I've picked up from him. So, right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube, peace out.